In this video, we'll solve an exponential equation where the basis contains e. Let us solve the problem. The given equation is e to the power t plus e to the power 2t equals e to the power 3t. Next we can write e to the power t plus e to the power t whole square equals e to the power t whole cube. Since if we have a to the power mn, we can write this as a to the power m whole n. We have applied this rule here. Next, we can consider e to the power t as x. So, from the above equation, we get x plus x square equals x cube. Then we can write x cube equals x square plus x. We can take everything on the left side and we can write x cube minus x square minus x equals 0. We can take x as a common term. We can write x times x square minus x minus 1 equals 0. From here we get x equals 0. So we can write x equals 0. But the value of x is e to the power t. So we have e to the power t equals 0. But for any real value of t, e to the power t cannot be 0. So this result is rejected. So the next part is x square minus x minus 1 equals 0. So we have x square minus x minus 1 equals 0. From here we have the value of x as x equals minus b means minus 1 plus minus b square means minus 1 square minus 4 times a means 1, c means minus 1. 2 times a means 1. So if we simplify, we get minus 1 means 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 4 divided by 2. Or we have equals 1 plus minus square root of 5 by 2. So the value of x is 1 plus minus square root of 5 by 2. But we know the value of x is e to the power t. So we have e to the power t equals 1 plus square root of 5 by 2 and 1 minus square root of 5 by 2. But the value of 1 minus 5, the square root of 5 by 2 is rejected because for any real value of t, e to the power t cannot produce a negative result since it is less than 0 or negative result. So this is rejected. So the valued solution is e to the power t equals 1 plus a square root of 5 by 2. We can take natural log on both sides and we can write log e base e to the power t equals log e base 1 plus the square root of 5 by 2. Then we can write t times ln e equals ln 1 plus the square root of 5 by 2. Since we know if we have log e base a to the power x, we can write this as x log e base a, and log e base we can express as ln, so we can write x ln a. So we have applied this rule here. Again, we know ln e or log e base e produce result of 1, so we have t equals ln 1 plus square root of 5 by 2, since ln e equals 1. So this is the value of t. So this is the solution for our given equation. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching the video.